All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SL model, this beautiful white with tan leather interior, premium sound system, steerable controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice, only 35,000 miles. Best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. It's like a pearl white. This fender here looks pretty good. Does have a little dinghy right there. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Not curbing, just some glue on here. Nobody took off. Tire tread under 4/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread is at under 4/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player on it, so all that good stuff that's working. Here we go. You got your AC controls right down below. Boom. Got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down here. I'm sorry, your heated seats. Steerable controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 35,063. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Lights. Keeping it moving. Rear passenger seat with outlet sight, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Your rear trunk lid looks good. Your trunk space looks pretty nice. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and I did took away your owner's manual. It's right back there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing all the way around. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it. Tire tread under 4/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Your front fender looks good, and your front passenger rim looks good. Has some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf it. Aye. And tire tread is under 4/32. Fog lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this looks like this is a 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model. It's beautiful white with tan leather interior. Only 35,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.